Kabul, a city of beauty beneath the scars of empires.
A sacred statue stood as a symbol of peace.
Deep within Kabul's forgotten corners, a temple protected a tranquil guardian, a Buddha carved in serenity. For centuries, this statue watched over the land, blessing those who sought refuge. When Western scholars found it, they declared it one of Buddhism's lost treasures. Kabul thrived,
A crossroads of cultures, faiths,
and ambition. Then war approached inch by inch, shadow by shadow.
history became a casualty.
Art turned to target. And one night,
The Buddha disappeared, not a witness, not a word.
the sacred heart of the temple was now a void. Authorities demanded answers.
None came.
Rumors surfaced the statue smuggled into the dark world of stolen art.
Preservationists pleaded for its safe return.
Their voices echoed into silence.
War consumed everything: culture, faith,
Memory. Years later, a glimmer of hope,
a secret vault.
unopened for decades. But destiny mocked them. Only fragments remained.
Investigators chased the statue across borders, always one step behind. A single ledger hinted the Buddha had been sold.
To a ghost buyer. Maybe imprisoned in a private vault, admired only by greedy eyes. Is it lost forever, or waiting for the world to find it again?
Until that day,
The Buddha of Kabul lives on in whispers and wonder.